Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, the SEC proposes first ever crypto framework. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price, about $64,400. Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience over the 4-year time frame, up 177% from about $23,200 in August 2022, though the shorter-term picture reveals consolidation pressure. The most significant move is the 16% drawdown over 4 months from about $76,700 in April, reflecting the ongoing correction that has tested investor conviction. Story 5. Metaplanet launches US Treasury platform. This marks a significant international expansion for the Japanese Bitcoin Treasury company and represents one of the largest Bitcoin corporate investments announced this year. The deal extends the Bitcoin Treasury model beyond strategy and into new markets, potentially creating a template for other companies to follow. By taking the controlling position in an existing Nasdaq entity, Metaplanet gains immediate access to the US. During the bear market strategy and Strive in the US, Metaplanet in Japan and SmarterWeb in the UK have all been building and preparing for the next bull market. Story 4. 12 of the top 15 institutional shareholders of MicroStrategy increased their positions during Q2 2026, with combined holdings growing by $1.2 billion, according to Strategy's latest disclosure. This vote of confidence from sophisticated institutional investors comes during a period of significant market volatility and criticism of the company's Bitcoin Treasury strategy. The buying activity suggests major institutions view the recent sell-off as a buying opportunity rather than a reason to reduce exposure. These aren't retail investors chasing momentum, they're large asset managers making calculated decisions about long-term value. Story 3. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with $15 trillion under management, reaffirmed its bullish Bitcoin stance despite the asset's 50% decline from all-time highs. In a statement, the firm emphasized that Bitcoin's core investment case as an important emerging global monetary alternative and unique portfolio diversifier remains unchanged. This conviction from BlackRock carries weight given the firm's influence in institutional investment circles. The statement suggests the recent drawdown hasn't altered their long-term thesis around Bitcoin's role in portfolios. BlackRock's steadfast position could help stabilize institutional sentiment during a period when many investors are questioning their allocations. Story 2. Citi launches Bitcoin custody services. This move positions Citi to compete directly with existing crypto custodians and other banks exploring similar offerings. The announcement signals growing institutional demand for regulated traditional financial institutions to hold Bitcoin on behalf of clients. For many institutional investors, custody through a recognized banking name removes a significant barrier to Bitcoin allocation. Story 1. SEC proposes first ever crypto framework. This development comes as the crypto industry has long demanded regulatory clarity, particularly around which tokens qualify as securities. The proposal represents a significant shift in the SEC's approach, moving from enforcement-first tactics toward establishing defined rules of the road. The timing is notable as it arrives, while the Clarity Act remains stalled in legislative limbo, suggesting the SEC may be trying to claim jurisdiction before Congress acts. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.